Hello and welcome to my channel. And today I thought we'd do what I feel is the easiest upgrade I've ever done on my mini lathe. Let's do that. What I'm talking about is the 5-inch 3-jaw chuck. All you need to do is take this 3-inch 3-jaw chuck off and put this 5-inch chuck, 3-jaw chuck on. It comes with an adapter that fits right on here. No alterations, no drilling holes. Here, let me show you some of this. Here it is. It's beautiful. And it is 5-inch in diameter. Here's the adapter. And it comes with the bolt pattern and the indentation, the counterboard that fits right on your mini lathe. I got this from littlemachineshop.com. Here, it's product number 2345. Pretty hard to remember. 2345 lathe chuck, 3-jaw, 5-inch with adapter. It cost $149.95, which isn't bad for a chuck, 5-inch chuck. Shipping was $22.40. That's UPS ground. I ordered it on a Saturday. I got it on a Wednesday. It was $5.55 taxes. So it ended up costing me $177.90. If you have a couple of $100 laying around, this is what you want to get.
And it comes with 2 sets of jaws. These for the smaller diameter parts, and these here for the larger diameter parts.
Of course, I had to clean those up. Comes with a chuck key and the bolts to bolt this on. Somehow. There you have it, right there. I'm going to bolt this on, and I'm going to get it over here and put this chuck on there and show you a little bit about it. Let's see if it actually fits and can swing that 7 inches. This is a 7, it was a 7 by 10, it's a 7 by 16 right now. Let's see if you can still swing 7 inches on there with these chuck jaws all the way out. Let's get over there and do this. This thing is quite bigger. Here's the 3-inch. Here's the 5-inch. I did this because if you've been watching my channel, I'm doing the big motor upgrade. And I've got it all the way down to where I'm ready to mount my variable speed mechanism down underneath. I got all this connected. If you watched before that, I had done a tapered roller bearing, a heavy duty tapered roller bearings. I feel this machine can handle a bigger chuck right now, but I need to get this onto here. Let's do that. Wow, that was fast. All right, like I said, it comes with 2 sets of jaws. We're going to start with the ones that grab on the OD, and we're going to see if I still have a 7-inch swing. I'm going to leave these out as far as I can, just grabbing on just on the first part of this here. Let's do this. Okay. It's in there. Go to the next jaw. And the next jaw, jaw 3. Okay, it just grabbed. That is pretty big. It's over 5 inches It's probably about 5 1/4. But that's pretty big, and it's clearing by about 3/16. I doubt that I ever put anything that big in there, but I can if I want to. Let's see. I couldn't find any 5-inch material, but this here lid is about, I don't know, 50 thousandths under 5 inches. And there's still a lot of room. I really doubt that I'm going to put anything 5 inches or bigger in diameter into this thing. Like I said, I measured this with a caliper. It was 4 inches, 950. All right. Let's take these jaws out. I have it marked. This is number 3. That should come out first. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1. Okay, let's see if I could leave this out as big as possible. That's jaw number 1. Jaw number 2. Jaw number 3. It's just grabbing. Okay. Again, there's about 3/16 worth of clearance over the bedway, which ain't bad. It's said in the specifications on the Little Machine Shop website that the practical diameter to grab with this would be 2 inches in diameter. I have this piece of material. It's 2 inches 450, I believe. Two inches 440. Okay. Let's see. It grabs it. I don't think I would do that either. Like I said, it's just grabbing by one tooth on here. What I like about this the best, the through hole on this mini lathe is 800 thousandths diameter, which means you could put a 3/4 inch piece of material through there. This little chuck, the 3-inch chuck, only had a 5/8 hole. If you were working on something 3/4 of an inch, a shaft perhaps, you had to leave that thing sticking all the way out. You had to put a center on it or run it on, what do they call them? Steady rest. I could push this all the way through, all the way in. The chuck, the ID opening on the chuck itself is 1 3/16. I could do something on the end of this. I really like it. I could do something like this. This piece of, it's about 800 thousandths. Before, I would have to grab it out here and everything is hanging out. I really like that. What else? All these jaws are numbered. on this area here in the slot. 1, 2, 3 on both of them. I think that's about it. Like I said, I bought this from the littlemachineshop.com. I think it's a great deal. It was $150 plus shipping and handling. It's really, I think, a decent chuck. Well, we'll find out. I didn't do this before because the bearings in here could barely handle the 3-inch chuck. A few videos back, I put in some tapered roller bearings, heavy-duty taper roller bearings, and I think this lathe can handle it now, this larger chuck, and I'm doing the big motor upgrade, which also, it will have the power to turn something this big. Although it turns okay, it'll be able to turn larger pieces. And believe me, once I get that motor on here and finished, I'm really close. I only have a few more episodes. I'll be doing some tests on how big of a cut I can take. Okay. I'm glad I bought this. I just had to slip this in between the Big Motor Upgrade series. And I just wanted to show you something I just bought, a new toy. Okay, I think this video is a wrap. So, until next time, enjoy.